Welcome to Pammy Plus Parks. I'm Pammy, your plus-size fairy godmother, bringing you all the magic Walt Disney World and Florida has to offer. Today we're at Magic Kingdom and we're going to ride my favorite ride, Haunted Mansion. This ride is very plus-size friendly. I'm going to show you how to get on and how to get off the ride. This ride is so much fun, it's spooky, and it's delightful. Let's ride!
Foolish mortals, to the haunted mansion. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination?
We're gonna switch faces? Yeah! Nice. My friend Melanie, and she is an absolute 100% #1 top expert on Haunted Mansion. I'm going to turn the camera on her right now and she's going to give you a few tips about the ride and the cars. Here we go.
Hey y'all, I am Melanie. I am one of the mods at Disney Parks for Plus Size Guests. So just how I met the lovely Pamela here. There's just a couple things I want to share here. So a few of our members over time have expressed a little bit of concern about the restraints of Haunted Mansion. Now, most people will fit absolutely fine. I fit fine. I'm sure Pam will talk a lot more about fit. She's told you a lot about it. But if you are a little worried or if you have a disability, this is something important to mention. Once you go through the 2 initial rooms and you're past the stretching room, reach out to a cast member. What they can do is they can put you in a special car they have, and they call them stop cars. What they'll do is it allows them to slow that belt a little bit to help you get on and off a bit more easily. I have a disability, it's a non-visible disability, and sometimes I have difficulty getting in and out of the cars that quickly. So they can help you slow that belt if you're worried. Additionally, they do have about 5 or 6 cars, which I've heard they call stop cars, that have just a little bit of extra room. So if you've ever been on Mansion before and you've been a little bit uncomfortable, I highly recommend talking to a cast member about that as well. So they might be able to help you just a little bit more comfortable and ride the amazing Haunted Mansion.
Thank you, Melanie. That was amazing. Thank you for that extra bit of information. And please, whatever you do not be afraid or do not feel uncomfortable or awkward asking for what you need. The cast members here are trained to assist you and happy to do so. So please feel free to reach out to them and ask for the things that you need, and you will be comfortable and happy. And guess what? You're going to enjoy the ride.